Now we see for class 9 ICSE syllabus maths exercise 1C question number 8. Question number 8, if m equal to this one, find, and n equal to this one, find the value of m square, n square and mn. So m square means this whole square. So now take the conjugate. 3 plus 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. So a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus 2 root to the whole square. Numerator you write as it is. So மேலே ஸ்கொயர்னா numerator square minus denominator square. Denominator 9 minus 8 1. So a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 square 4, 4 into root 2. Here sorry 4 into root 2 square அப்படிங்கிறப்ப 2. So root 2 square என்ன cancel ஆயிரும். So 4 into 2 8. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 17 12 root 2. So n square we have found m square. So in the question they are asking m square and n square mn. Next we find n square. So n squared equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. M squared equal to 1 by 3 minus 3 root 2. அப்போ n squared 1 by 2 plus 3 2னா just இதனுடைய conjugate. இங்கே minus இருக்குது, இங்கே plus இருக்குது. So we are writing the conjugate of this. Then next வந்து mn. m into n. So a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So the answer is 1. So 3 steps. They are m squared, then n squared, then mn.